Welcome to this particular homework task. This is a test on Year 9 Maths, which means that you've got various mixed questions in this particular exercise to do. So let's just have an example. Let's do the first question together. The first question states, work out the area of triangle ABC, which is drawn inside a rectangle, then choose the correct option. So now triangle ABC is a triangle drawn within a rectangle. So to work out the area of a triangle, we do base times height, base times height divided by 2. Okay, base means the width times the height, and then we divide it by 2. Now, if you look at the height of this particular triangle, the height is going to be from top to bottom, and the height is 6 centimeters, because all the height from there to there, or from straight down, is 6 centimeters. So let's just write down 6 centimeters here, which is the height. Now we need to work out what the base is, or the width, and the base in this case is going to be this section here from A to B. Now the overall length is 8. We take 3 centimeters away from 8, and that will give us 5 centimeters. So the base is going to be 5 centimeters. Now 6 times 5 is 30. So let's just do it this way around. So 30 centimeters. And remember that we have to divide 30 centimeters by 2. Let's divide it by 2. And that gives us an overall answer of 15 centimeters squared. Remember, when you're working out area, the answer always has to be in a square. So in this case, our answer is going to be 15 centimeters squared. Let's just pick this question. Okay, so you've got various questions. The next question is work out 8% of £9.50. So let's just do this last one together. So 8% of £9.50. So we know that in total, let's work out 5%, 1%, 1%, and 1% individually. That will then give us 8% altogether, okay, of £9.50. Right, so 10% of £9.50 is going to be dividing by 10, which means the decimal point goes to the left once. So if we were to move the decimal point to the left once, the decimal point will come here, which means the answer will be 0.95, which will be 10%. Okay, now we need to work out what 5% is going to be. So we're going to half 95, 0.95, and we're going to divide it by 2. So let's just divide that number by 2, because we have to find out 5%, or 5% is half of 10%. So 2 cannot go into 0, so stick a 0 there. 2 goes into 9 4 times, because 2 times 4 is 8, remainder 1. How many times can 2 go into 15? 2 goes into 15 7 times, because 2 times 7 is 14. That gives us remainder 1. And then we just divide 1 by 2, and that gives us 0.5. So 5% is going to be 47.5. So it's going to be 0.475 will be 5%. Now to work out 1%, we actually move the decimal point to the left twice to work out 1%. Because when we're working out 10%, we move the decimal point to the left once. But when we're working out 1%, we move the decimal point to the left twice. So that's £9.50. Now we're working out 1%. So we're moving the decimal point to the left twice. So once and twice. So stick the decimal point there, put a 0 there and a 0 there. So that gives us 0.095 will be equals to 1%. So let's just write that down there. 0.095. 0.095, 0.095. And now all we're going to do is we're just going to add these columns up in total. And once we add these columns up, that will give us, so add these up 5, 10, 15, 20, 0 goes there, 2 is carried forward, and 9, add 9 is 18, 18, add 9 is 27, 27, add 7, it's 34, put the 3 there, 4, add 3 is going to be 7, and the 0 will come up, which means that our overall answer is going to be 0.760. So in total, 8% of £9.50 is going to be 76 pence. 76 pence, and our option is going to be option A as our overall answer. Okay, so good luck with working these out, and we'll follow these up in our next lesson, whereby we'll go through all these questions individually, one by one. Thank you so much.